Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Turtle Beach Still 600 Gen 3 PS to your phone. So watch the video till the end. For that, you will need to follow some steps. The Still 600 Gen 3 will enter Bluetooth pairing mode when paired on. If no Bluetooth connection is made within 2 minutes, pairing mode will stop. To pair new devices, follow the Bluetooth pairing steps. To manually enable Bluetooth pairing mode, make sure the headset in the Bluetooth mode LED on the headset slash transmitter are blue. If the LED on the headset and transmitter are green, press the quick switch button to switch the headset to the Bluetooth mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth multifunction button until the pairing Bluetooth voice prompt plays. After placing your headset in the pairing mode, select the headset from within your device Bluetooth settings menu to connect. A successful Bluetooth connection is indicated by a solid blue LED on the USB wireless transmitter. The Bluetooth multifunction button is used to answer and end calls as well as for media playback control when connected to a compatible mobile phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.